How to delete all check-ins on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, log into your account, then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then click on See Your Profile, which is below your username. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots, which is below Add to Story. Then click on Activity Log. After that, in here you'll find Activity History. Click on Activity History and then click on Filters. After you click on Filters, go to Categories. In here, click on Your Facebook Activity and in Post you'll find check-ins. Click on it. From here you can select the check-ins and delete it. And this is how to delete all check-ins on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.